This is a quick tutorial to show you how to set up hyperlinks within a lengthy Google Doc that will take the reader to a specific section of your document by clicking on a link that is presented at the beginning. So one way to do that is by using headers. So in your document, you can first start by creating the text that you want it to display. So for this, I want it to say jump to header. Now I need to find my header, and I actually want it to come right here. So to make this a recognized header, I'm going to highlight it, go up here, select heading. Now it is recognizing this lorem ipsum as a header. Now I'm going to go back up to the text that is displayed, insert, link, headings, and there it is. So anything that is recognized as a header will come up on this drop-down menu here, and you just choose the one you want. So now let's test it out. If I click on this link, it brings the cursor directly to my header. And you can have as many headers and links as you want. Have a great day.